Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the volume activation error 0x8007232B DNS name does not exist occurs on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter. This will show the internet connection speed. If it is good enough, then move on to the next solution, which is to reset the network. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then you can go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings, select reset network, click on reset now, and finally click on yes. And the last solution will be to use Google's DNS. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command IP config and hit enter. This will open the press the Windows key and the R key together. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on it and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server address. Type 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one will be 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save these settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.